Hello guys, name is Vadim, you are on VRM24.com YouTube channel, and today I will comment and you will watch the video how to disassemble ZTE Blade A7s. Disassembly has a first or easy rating in our difficulty classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. Let's start. The first thing we need to do is take out the cards tray. In this model, the tray is not in place for a unknown reason, but you will note that the tray must be removed. We take the opening tool and begin to open the back cover. We use a plastic tool and push it between the cover and the display frame. The best place to do this is at the cards tray hole. It is the easiest place to insert the tool, but also be careful in this place because the plastic is thin and you can damage the cover easily. We pass the tool along the back cover edge. Also be careful at the corners, the clips hold the cover tight. Once the clips are released, the cover can be opened and on the cover you can see the fingerprint sensor. We turn the cover over, we see the cable, the connector is situated under the middle cover. Take a crosshead screwdriver or a Phillips 1.5mm aka #30 and unscrew the screws to remove the cover. The screws appear to be the same. Don't forget about one screw under the warranty sticker. Since we see a warranty sticker here, it means that the smartphone has not been taken apart yet. Carefully open the cover, the clips are tight, hold the cover tightly. We turn the cover over and remember one thing here. We disconnect the connector with a plastic or non-metal tool because the motherboard is still powered by the battery. Now we remove the covers and disconnect the battery connector, also with a plastic or non-metal tool. We take a screwdriver Phillips 1.5 mm again and unscrew the screws at the bottom. So here all the screws are the same. We remove the cover, in which we see a loudspeaker. We disconnect the interboard cable, which has mark indicating the direction to the mainboard. This is now a good tradition among the manufacturers and quite useful information that helps to properly assemble the smartphone. Disconnect the coaxial cable. The vibration motor is wired. We'll peel off it and remove the subboard, attached, I guess, with a metallized adhesive. Be careful at this place too. Do not strongly bend the subboard so as not to damage the elements on it. On the subboard we have a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, microphone, vibration motor, and other elements are soldered. Now let's try to disconnect and remove the coaxial cable. As we can see, it is somehow oddly bent. Since the warranty sticker was in place, I think this is most likely a manufacturing defect. The cable should be located correctly at its place. Disconnect the cable to the display module and disconnect the front camera. We look at where there are screws or not on the motherboard and try to remove the board. We try it from each edge. Perhaps the board is fixed with a clips or glued. The cameras are glued to the display frame, the connectors are inside. You need to carefully disconnect the connectors. So now we disconnect the rear cameras on the printed circuit board and peel off the camera from the display frame. Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure to comment on this video for you. As always, guys, you remember the drill. Watch, like or dislike. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Write your comments. And guys, please take care of yourself.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.